wondered how thousands of businesses keep their online operations running smoothly? It's all thanks to a behind-the-scenes hero known as Cloud Infrastructure Management. This vital tool ensures digital worlds spin without a hitch. The secret weapon they use is Cloud Infrastructure Management. So, what exactly is Cloud Infrastructure Management? Well, it's a fascinating world where technology and strategy intertwine. At its core, you'll find key components like servers, storage, networks, and virtualization. Each of these elements plays a critical role. Imagine servers as the powerhouse driving your online services. Storage, on the other hand, is like a vast library, holding all your data safe and sound. Networks? They're the highways facilitating smooth traffic flow of data. And virtualization, well, it's the magic trick enabling you to use multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. These components work in harmony, creating an efficient and reliable environment for online services. And managing them, it's not just a job, it's an art, a science, a craft. Managing these components effectively is a craft that you can master. Ready to become a master in cloud infrastructure management? Let's dive into the world of Nowasys. Nowasys offers comprehensive courses that are designed to empower you with the necessary skills and knowledge in this field. Their offerings are curated with the latest industry trends to keep you ahead of the curve. From understanding the basics to mastering complex cloud architectures, Nowasys has got you covered. Nowasys is your partner in this journey, providing you with the tools and knowledge to succeed. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Dive into the world of Nowasys, where a wealth of knowledge on cloud infrastructure management awaits you. Picture yourself advancing in your career, boosting your earning potential, and staying on top of an ever-evolving field. Every step you take with Nowasys is a step towards the future, a future that you control. Don't wait for opportunities to knock on your door. Explore Nowasys offerings today and take control of your career.